Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the sound section. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to tap on advanced in order to find the ringtones. Let's tap on it. Here we have to choose between the first and the second SIM card. Basically, it means that you can apply totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for the second one. Since I've got only one SIM card, let me tap on it. And as you can see, we will have this pop-out window in which we've got the pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the none option, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of this list, we've got this add ringtone option, and basically you can enter your own files. If you will have anything, for example, downloaded, it will appear in some of those folders and you will be able to set it as a ringtone, of course, if it is compatible. But let me pick something from those options. So all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. And of course, I've got my device muted, so let me do it again. And basically this is how it works. So just tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. And if you will find the best ringtone, simply mark it. So for example, this jumping option, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, and that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.